Welcome to tutorial show. This is a rate the tutorial segment. In this video I am trying to create a GitHub pages with Jekyll. Before that, let us understand what's a Git pages, if in case anybody have a doubt about, don't know what is a Git pages. Let us ask to Bard, what is GitHub pages? GitHub pages is a static site hosting service that takes HTML, CSS and JavaScript files straight from a repository on GitHub. Optional runs the files through a build process and publishes a website. It's basically a static website. GitHub pages. GitHub pages is a free service that is included with all GitHub accounts. It can be used to host personal websites, project documentation, and even full-fledged applications. Okay, I think that's enough. Let us ask to what is a Jekyll. What is Jekyll? Is it Jekyll? Jekyll. I have no idea what is the pronunciation, but Jekyll. What is this? Oh, they show source and all from where they got the information. Jekyll is a static site generator written in Ruby. It takes a text written in your favorite markup language and uses layouts to create a static website. You can tweak the site look and feel URLs that are displayed on the page. Okay, so basically a static site generator. Okay, I think that's enough for now. So the pages is creating a GitHub pages site with a Jekyll. You can use Jekyll. What's the pronunciation of Jekyll? Let us ask. What is the pronunciation of Jekyll? Pronunciation of Jekyll. 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 I will pronounce it Jekyll. Jekyll. Okay. You can use Jekyll to create a GitHub page site in a new or existing repository. Prerequisites. Before you can use Jekyll to create a GitHub page site, you must install Jekyll and Git. For more information, see installation and the Jekyll documentation and setup Git. We recommend using Bundler to install and run Jekyll. Bundler manages Ruby gem dependencies, reduces Jekyll build errors, and prevents environment-related bugs. To install Bundler, in my machine actually Ruby is there and Bundler is there, so I'm going to skip this installation. Now next is creating a repository for your site. You can either create a repository or choose an existing repository for your site. If you want to create a GitHub pages site for a repository where not all of the files in the repository are related to the site, you will be able to configure publishing source for your site. For example, you can have a dedicated branch and folder to hold your site source files, or you can use a custom GitHub Actions workflow to build and deploy your site source files. I think they are providing a lot of options, but I will go for some simple option. I mean, in the sense, I don't. If the account that owns the repository uses GitHub free or GitHub free for organization, the repository must be public. I don't have any problem with that too. If you want to create a site in an existing repository, skip to the creating your site section. I don't have a repository I want to create, so I will go ahead. In the upper right corner of any page, use the plus drop button menu and select new repository. Okay, so here plus, where is the plus? Yes, new repository. Okay, what should I do here in a new repository? Use the owner drop down menu to select the account you want to own the repository. I don't think so. I have multiple. There is only one I have. Okay, to a name for your repository and an optional description. If you are creating a user or organization site, your repository must be named or organization. If your user or organization name contains uppercase letter, you must lowercase letter for information. Okay. Okay. Repository name, repository blog, repository name I'm going to blog. Wait. Okay, so I need this format. Okay, anyway, instead of blog I will write here oyster GitHub is available. Is it available? I don't think so. Okay, I have no idea. I will go ahead with this one, oyster.github.io. Okay, choose a repository visibility for information about repository. Choose a repository visibility. Yeah, it should be it must be public, right? Because here they say if the account that owns the repository uses a GitHub free or GitHub free for organization, the repository must be public. So it should be public. Okay, I think that's all. Just to create first, it's a public and create. Yeah, oyster.github.io created. Next, creating your site. Before you can create your site, you must have a repository for your site on GitHub. If you are not creating your site in an existing repository, see, creating a repository for your site. What is that? Okay, already I created. Now I need to open terminal, go to parent folder. Okay, I'm creating here mkdir oyster dot github.io. that is a name, right? github.io oyster. Okay, and I'm DC, actually it is some alias I created for CD, because I'm I think whenever I'm trying to type a CD, I usually press D first and C second, so I use a DCR as an alias for CD. Okay, and I enter into the folder. If you have not already initialized local git repository, replacing repository name with the name of your repository. Okay, I'm going to initialize here. It's an empty directory, git init. So I'm inside the directory, so I can // I can use. Okay, initialization done. Change the directory to the repository. I already changed it, so I don't need. Decide which publishing source you want to use. For information, configuring publishing source for your GitHub page site. What is that one? You can configure your web page site to publish when changes are published to server. Okay, basically you need to specify the branch for publishing. publishing from a branch. Make sure the branch you want to use as your publishing source already exists in your repository. Let me check here. I will go ahead with the master. So this is a repository. Where is the branches? Here there's no code. It's empty. Okay, if it is empty, that means you can't see any directory here. Okay, on a GitHub and navigate to your site's repository. Under your repository name, click settings. If you cannot see the settings tab, select the drop down settings. In the code and automation section on the sidebar, click pages. Okay, here I need to go to settings. Here code and automation. Code and automation, here pages. Okay, in this page source branches, no branches. Okay, I need to add a content. Okay, I don't have content. I'll be back here. Navigate to the publishing source for your site for more information. Configuring a publishing source for your GitHub site, both the same, right? For example, if you choose to publish your site from the docs folder on the default branch, create it and change that to the doc folder. No, I will use the repository itself. I don't, not from any subdirectory, so I'll skip that one. If you choose to publish your site from the GH Pages branch, create and check out the GH branch. No, I will here. What's the branch? Git branch. Git branch. There's no branch. Okay, I will add the master branch after that. To create a new Jekyll site, use the Jekyll new. Actually, Jekyll is already installed in my machine, so I will execute this one. I don't need to install any Jekyll or stuff. Yeah, bundle install, skip, new Jekyll site installed. Okay, done. Open the gem file that Jekyll created. Gem file, what is that one? Gem file. Okay, in this add a hash to the beginning of the line that starts with the Jekyll to comment out of this line. Jekyll. Okay, okay, here I think 10th line, Jekyll. Okay, I commented that one. Add the GitHub page gem by editing the line starting with GitHub pages. GitHub pages. Oh, what is this way? Oh, complicated. GitHub pages. Okay, where is the GitHub pages? If you want to use GitHub pages, remove the gems Jekyll above and uncomment the line below. Okay, okay, GitHub version, I don't know what is the version. The correct version Jekyll will be installed as a dependency of the GitHub pages gem. Dependency version, what is that one? GitHub pages uses the following dependency and versions. Okay, 3.9. Okay, what I should do? Okay, So I need to copy that here. So replace the GitHub version with the latest supported version of the GitHub Pages. Yeah, 3.9.3. So basically I need to change this one. 3.9.3, right? Okay, done. Did that one. The correct version Jekyll will be installed as a dependency of the GitHub Pages gem. Save and close the gem file. From the command line, run bundle install. Okay, bundle install. What is this? This many. What does? I think I missed something somewhere. GitHub Pages gem. GitHub Pages gem. Okay. Oh, it's 228. Okay, I'm wrongly given some other thing. This should be 228. 228. Bundle install. Resolving dependencies. Good. Permission error. So basically I need to it is trying. Okay, I think I need to give a sudo. I'm not sure that is a right approach, but let me resolve somehow now. Oh, it is getting showing green. Yeah, it's going smoothly, everything. Okay, what is the next? Install option makes any necessary editor the one for the record for related paths. I'll skip that one. It's option to test your site locally for information testing your GitHub pages site locally with Jekyll. I'll try that one. I want to test it locally. Again error. What is error? Bundle gem file could not find Jekyll's hash converter on gem for installation. I don't know what is. Anyway, I will Google that one. Okay, I will. Okay, I'll figure out that one. Till that I will pause it. Okay, actually I couldn't resolve that issue. So what I have done is I un I had commented Jekyll, right? And I reversed that one. So basically I didn't follow these two steps. I just ignored that one and ran this bundle install. Basically I didn't I'll show here. So then it worked fine. Okay, so I can show here. So they asked you to comment to this line. I didn't do that, and they asked you to uncomment this line. I didn't both. So now it's working. So I'm not sure what will happen if I'm pushing to GitHub Pages, but I will proceed like this. I will take care of the any hurdle I face. Okay, I have done this one, and now optionally make any necessary edit to the file. This is required for relative paths in the repository hosted in subdirectory. Okay, they are telling it's optionally, but let me check it that one. I can use a VC code here. Open folder. Okay, I will open this one. Here configure YAML. What is that changes they are talking about? Yeah, base URL and all, right? Domain URL, base URL and all. Base URL. Okay, I'm not going to make any changes there. Optionally test your site locally for more information. See, okay, I want to test in locally, so I will testing your GitHub pages with local. I'll do that one. A prerequisite install Jekyll. It's already there. Ruby is already there. Open terminal, run install. Run your Jekyll site locally. Bundle execute Jekyll serve. I will try that one. Okay, here bundle execute Jekyll serve. What is it? There are a lot of okay, showing that one server address. This one. Copy link. Your awesome title. Post is welcome Jekyll. Oh, I need to. Okay, I will make those changes in the configuration. Where is my awesome title? Oh, this one. Oyster World. Oyster World or Oyster at tutorial shore. What else is there? Welcome to Jekyll. Okay, I'll save this one. I think I need to rerun this one. Oyster at tutorial shore. Good. Now, okay. Updating, I'm not going to do that. I think nothing else is here. I will close this one. And optional test, I have done the test, and add and commit your work. Okay. Git commit git commit minus m initial commit. Okay, done that. On GitHub, navigate to your site's repository. Under the repository name, click if you can see. I didn't push that one. Okay. Oh, I just jumped everything. Okay, add your repository on GitHub as a remote. Replace user with don't repository. Git remote add origin. Okay. Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. Oh, okay. We need a repository URL. Where is my okay? HTTP. So I'm going to use not it. I'm going to use okay. I will use this one. It is a Git. I think they given their HTTPS. I don't want that. I did that. Next, git push origin branch. What is the branch here? Git branch master. Okay. What else? Git push u origin branch. Okay. Git push -u origin master. Actually, I have already done that SSH everything, so I don't need password or everything to automatically push to server. On GitHub, navigate to your site's repository, and here I will go to settings and pages, and will select the. Okay, I think done. So here settings, pages, master, save. Custom domain. No, I'm not going to it. So view site. Where is the view site? I couldn't see anywhere that view site they're talking about. To see the published site under GitHub Pages, click view visit site. GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages. Where's the GitHub Pages? GitHub Pages. I can't see anywhere. View visit site. Okay, this is the IO. Oyster up GitHub IO. What I don't understand. What is this? A root. Deploy from branch. What is going on here? It's actually showing a custom domain other than Oyster Hub GitHub. Whether it will take time or what is this? It can take up to 10 minutes for changes to your site to publish after you push the changes to GitHub. If you don't see your GitHub page site changes reflect in your browser after an hour. Okay, I will check this one. What is going on here? Okay, I just refresh this page and I saw this on your site live at oyster.github.io. I don't know what is this Oyster Hub. Why this is coming here? You no, I you want I don't want this one. Oyster GitHub. Master root itself. Okay, here the issue is it's subdirectory also showing here. I wanted the GitHub pages under the domain under the domain itself, oyster hub.github.io. It seems like that one. The problem is this directory name. If I have given oyster hub.github.io, it might have worked. So I am going to rename this one. This repository is going to be renamed. Rename. Okay. Now I will check that pages. Yeah, you can see that one, right? I given hello. That's all. Now the problem is that one here git remote harm origin, because this is old remote. I need to drop that one. Now I need to add remote add. So you can see here oyster, right? Oyster hub. Done. Now what I need to do? Okay, I got that hello. What else I can do here? What is this one? I just leave it. Testing your GitHub Pages site locally with Jekyll. That I have done, right? Leave it here. I have done this one. Your GitHub Pages site is built to deploy. Next steps. To add a new page or post to your site, see adding content to your GitHub page site using Jekyll. Just let me try that also. Add content in Jekyll sites, adding a new page to your site. On GitHub navigate to, it's a new page. So I want to add a page. Go on GitHub, navigate to your site's repository, navigate to the publishing source for your site. In the root of your publishing source, create a new file for your page called page name. Replace page name with a meaningful file name. Okay. In the root I need to create where is the root? Here is the root. About me page.md. okay, about me page I created. Add the following YAML friend and matter to the top of the file, replacing page title with the page's title and URL path with a path you want for the page's URL. For example, if the base URL of your site is your path is about contact, your page will be located. Okay, this is I need to add in the top of this page. Okay, here layout is page, title. What is the title? About me. Very typical page, about me. URL about. Okay, now below the front matter add content of your page. Okay, I am oyster, that is all I want to say to you. Just to create that one, I have nothing to say here, but I want to say this one. Okay, now I need to, they say there is a commit, so okay, I will do the commit. Click the commit changes and propose changes. Okay, I will do that one commit. Before that, adding a new post to your site. On GitHub, navigate to your site, navigate to the post directory, create a new file called, okay, name of the post, okay, YAMMDD, name of the post. Okay, so inside the post, oh, they already given one page. Okay, I'll rename this one. Okay, I will use the same page. Okay, okay, welcome to Jekyll. You can see here the same page, the welcome. I will create a new page here. Markdown empty, you can write by new day blog. Okay, and what they're saying here we need to do, layout, post title, blah 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 blah. Okay, I will do one thing, I will copy from the other page. Okay, this is the thing I need to do. I'll copy here, layout post, welcome to new day, welcome to new day. This is 12:30, categories Jekyll update. Yeah, let it be that, no issue. Next, what I need to do here, content, nothing special, just a new day. Okay, I added. Now I will commit both. Get a status, I added a page and added a posts. Git commit page and post, push. Okay, a push is successful. Now let me check it. It will come here anyway. We'll go to pages. I don't know how much time it will take. Here I will check that about page. I think a couple of minutes it will take. I'll pause it then. Okay, if I'm going to home page, I can see that welcome to new day. It's showing the date and nothing special, just a new day. And but I couldn't see that about page. About, I just look like that there is another about already there. Because basically about already there. Oh, it is there already about. I will do one thing, I will delete this one rather than changing the this link. Git add, git commit minus just commit. I'll push this one. Okay, I think that's all here I need to do. basically I set it up a GitHub Pages and added the Jekyll and pushed to pulled from the GitHub repository and worked on the local machine, then pushed back. I think that's all. Nothing else is there. No need to do. Okay, about. Okay, basically it is showing that on 404. I don't know the problem. I think maybe need to add a slash. I'll try with that one, adding slash and commit, add, commit, push. Yeah, still it is showing 404. I think the problem is if you're looking the there was a about page already. I deleted that one, I created new one, right? So you can see that one, it contains a forward slash. I'm not sure that was the issue. I had omitted that one. I added and tried and still it's getting look like that. I need to add this 3 hyphen. I don't have that one, 3 hyphen at the end, and first I need to add. I'll try this one. I think this is what I forgot there. Add, commit, push. Still not 4, and I think one problem is here. I didn't give MD. I added EM. Okay, I think that was it. Is a lot of mistake I made here. Git add, commit, push. Okay, finally I got that about page. About me, I am honest. That's all I want to say to you. Okay, I made a lot of mistakes. One is that one there was already one about page and I deleted. Then I thought I missed a forward slash, and then I realized header should have a triple hyphen beginning and the end of the header. Okay, now it's everything fine. I've done. So I was able to set up my GitHub pages using Jekyll, but the overall experience was a bit difficult. One reason I think these pages contain too many information, like too many things, so it was a bit difficult. But it contained all the information, but too many information, that's all. So I don't want to give 5 out of 5 because it was not I was not able to finish it. I struggled a lot of time. Second thing is too much information stuffed in a single article. So maybe they can create some quick start, something just to create a Jekyll automatically started by with some default values, everything, so that directly I can see and see the GitHub pages. And second thing is that one I created a repository with one name and then realized, okay, actually they said you need to use the Git username, but I gave some other name. That was my mistake. Somehow I found that the reason, and I solved that one. Anyway, I will give 4 out of 5 for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.